Imagine a tropical jungle where the sun has just risen above the trees and monkeys are gathering in a clearing. Each one has something to trade: bananas, coconuts, berries. Some have plenty, others only a little, but all of them want to make the best deal. With gestures, calls, and clever tricks, they trade with one another, and right there, among vines and laughter, the first economy is born. When the hot season comes and bananas grow sweeter, all the monkeys suddenly want more. Demand rises. They're willing to give away extra coconuts, berries, even part of their own food just to get a few ripe bananas. Those who already have bananas quickly notice. They realize they can ask for more in return. And soon the price of bananas, measured in coconuts or berries, starts to climb. But one day the trees produce a harvest no one expected. Bananas hang everywhere, underfoot on branches, even falling onto monkeys' heads. Now no one is in a hurry to trade something valuable for them. After all, everyone already has bananas. Supply exceeds demand. Suddenly, those who yesterday could trade one banana for 3 coconuts can barely find anyone willing to take one banana for just a single coconut. The price drops, because value disappears when there's too much of something. Over time, things settle down. When bananas are too plentiful, the monkeys collect fewer. When bananas are scarce again, they search and save every fruit. Somewhere between these two moments, balance appears, where everyone is satisfied. Those with bananas can trade them fairly, and those who want them can buy at a reasonable price. That point, where supply and demand meet, is called equilibrium. But sometimes things go wrong. Greedy monkeys begin hiding bananas deep in their nests. Others panic, thinking there aren't enough left. Prices rise, even though the bananas are still there, just hidden. And when the trees suddenly stop growing fruit, or storms destroy part of the harvest, prices climb even higher because each banana becomes precious. This is how the law of supply and demand works, even in a world of monkeys and bananas. When everyone wants more, things become expensive. When there's too much of something, it loses its worth. It may just be a story from the jungle, but it explains the oldest rule of every economy. Value is always about desire and scarcity.